Kasenjuk Nurse Balapantibit Kari India, Trained Nurses Association of India, TNAI Meghalaya State Branch, Kalapalong Lympung Bakhatsan, 15th State Student Nurses Association of India, Bashisien Ar-Snem, Haka Arpupra Bat Arpu Khandai Trik Jamang Halariti International Performing Arts and Culture Center, Mawkasiang. Hakasngi sedang Arpupra Tarik Jemang, Dr. Ki AJ Singkon MP ke Lok Sabha, Ulalong Ukongsan, Ban Pli ke Lympung, Haka Jingidon Lang Director ke Nigrims, Professor Dr. Nalin Mehta, Kinongkit Kam ke Trained Nurses Association of India, ki Samla Puli Nurse Bat Kinohikai. Haba ajing keren ke Kesngi, Dr. Ki Ulaong, Don Kam Kum kini ke Jingelang Ban Pen Khubor ki Nurse Haka Jing Tre Jongki, Lingba ke Jinge Sam Jing Tip Bat ke Jinge Tre Lang. Shushu Dr. Ki ulapin kan mauru baha kapor COVID-19 deki nurse ki belai kendu shibun ki jing baharu kom Henry ki long ki bashlur ban sumar ya ki bapang nakani ki jing pang klam COVID-19
and contribute to public health initiatives. You are present in every corner of our healthcare system. You are calm in crisis, compassionate in care, and consistent in your commitment. I remember during COVID-19 pandemic, dear nurses, you all rose to the challenge in ways that words can hardly do justice, demonstrating unwavering courage, exceptional professionalism, and a remarkable resilience amid fear, amidst uncertainty and exhaustion. You were the steady hands in the midst of chaos, the calm in the storm, and the compassionate presence in moments of profound isolation. You were always there. It is no exaggeration to say that you were and continue to be the backbone of our national healthcare response, the true warriors in both spirit and in service. Thank you so much. Now, as you stand on the cusp of professional life, I urge you to remain grounded in the values that brought you here, value of compassion, integrity, and service. Stay curious, this is very important. Embrace lifelong learning, and let your leadership be guided not only by knowledge, but by wisdom and empathy. Nursing is more than a profession. It is a mission that touches countless lives and uplifts the entire community. Well, as a member of Parliament, as I've always said time and time again, for me, being a member of Parliament is all about to serve and not to be served. I've always believed that public service must reach every segment of our society, especially those who dedicate themselves to the service of others with unwavering commitment. Recognizing the vital role that nurses play in our healthcare system, I've made it a priority to address the challenges and the hardships that nurses face in various institutions across the state. And within the scope of my responsibilities, I have actively engaged with the concerned union ministries, consistently raising issues impacting the nursing community, both on the floor of the House and through various parliamentary instruments. In addition, I would say that I have written numerous letters and submitted formal representation advocating for improved working condition, fair recruitment policy, parity of pay, timely and fair remuneration, a clearer pathways for career advancement, and a more robust framework for the overall welfare of nurses. And this I will continue to do in serving, the society and the community. 81 number of students in our state, as I heard earlier. Well, this movement is not only alive, I would say it is also thriving. And it is a matter of great pride and a testament to your collective commitment. Well, to each nursing student here today, I want to say this. Well, I understand that your journey is indeed not easy. You have chosen a path that demands extraordinary discipline, emotional strength, and an unwavering dedication. Your days are filled with lectures, clinical rotation, examinations, and hands-on care. What you do, I believe, you study the human body with precision and treat human suffering with grace. Thank you so much. More than anything, you learn to become and have been a source of strength to many when others are at their weakest. And thank you for this too. But your training is not confined to medical knowledge or procedural expertise. It is just as much about developing empathy, emotional intelligence, and ethical clarity. You learn to listen with intent, to act with integrity, and to work as an essential part of a team in high pressure environment, which is often not very easy, but you have done it, and I'm sure you'll continue to do it. You are not just future nurses. You are, as many of my previous speakers have mentioned, you are the future leaders, the future educators, the future reformers of healthcare in our state, in our nation, and even the world. Well, in our healthcare ecosystem, the role of the nurse is indispensable. You are the ones who offer direct patient care, manage complex treatment routines, educate patients and even families. I had experienced that myself with my dad, with my mother and my wife. They are no longer here, but you have, helped me, helped, us a lot as a family. And well, these efforts, let me tell you, are not just administrative in nature. They are driven by a deep respect for your contribution to our healthcare system and by a more responsibility to ensure that your service is recognized, supported, and substantiated and sustainable. Well, the well-being and the moral of nurses are not just institutional concern. I would say that they are matters of public interest and national health. Therefore, as your representative in the Parliament, I remain committed to continuing this advocacy and ensuring that your voices are heard at the highest level of decision making. I wish each of you continued strength and aspiration as you walk this path. May this conference deepen your resolve, enrich your skill, and remind you of the incredible power that you hold, not just to heal, but to lead. So thank you all, and may this journey be one of purpose, one with passion, and one with progress. Thank you all. May God bless each one of you.
So once again, for the year 2024, we have a tie actually between the Female Health Worker Training School Rongkhontura and Female Health Worker Training School Ganesh Das Government Maternal and Child Health Hospital. So I'll be calling first Ms. Hamparwa Surong from FHW Training School Rongkhontura. And I'll be calling Ms. Mary Joyful Lamare from FHW Training School, Ganesh Das Government MCNH Hospital. Ms. Joyful Mary Lamare.